There's good money around testing certain products. I'm going to show you step by step what do you need to do and just check this amount of money that I've got from this website, okay? There's good money. Just follow the steps and do them correctly. Hit subscribe and let's go. This is the website that is going to get us paid, okay? This one is called Capterra.com, and you can see that they're the world's leading software reviews and selection platform. But don't you worry, this is so easy, guys. Anyone can review software with the help of this strategy. And every time someone sees your review about that software, you get the money for it, alright? This will, of course, work all around the world. It doesn't matter your location. You can live even in Afghanistan and you can still get the money, alright? And you can get a lot of money, so follow these steps. First of all, you can check over Capterra and Trustpilot.com and you can see that they've got 4.2 out of 5 and they have some nice comments. People get a lot of money and you can see all 5 stars. People are really satisfied, and why wouldn't they be? They get the money here. 4.2 out of 5, it's a pretty good rating. So what do you have to do on Capterra.com? Firstly, you have to go over and you have to sign up first. Of course, you can continue with Google, doesn't have to be your email, and you can immediately start reviewing software for money. Now, once you're logged in, you can see that you have different software categories, and of course, you have like service categories. And you can browse all of these to check what's available, but trust me, you don't even have to use certain software to write a review for this one, because I made a selection of few tips today. So when you come in here, when you make yourself an account, just simply go on write a review, okay? So writing a review is going to be pretty simple, and you can choose, for example, maybe ClickUp, maybe you know what this is, or maybe you know, I don't know, you can find whatever you want, really. I'm just going to show you, for example, let's go with Zoom. You know what Zoom or Skype, that's like a communication software. You can just go with Skype, whatever you want to choose, guys. Or you can just simply go and review software, which is simple as Microsoft Word, okay, or Microsoft Excel. You can just choose whatever you want, guys. It is so easy. You can as well filter these by categories. So you can have remote support, human resources, auto repair, training. So you can do whatever you want, guys. Even just email, you can review that. But I'm just going to show you something. Let's go with ClickUp, and I'm just going to show you on this example what do you have to do and how to get the money from this website. So first things first, you have to fill out your name, your last name, email address, job title, organization name, and an industry, okay? Industry, you can put whatever, and you can put company size, myself only, and you can put in here like freelancer, okay? So freelancer, that's what we are. We review software, and this is important. Now you have to choose how long have you used this software. So I suppose that it is good to put like 6 to 12 months at least, but maybe 1 to 2 years is better, but this is not bad. Just don't go with 6 months, less than 6 months. You can just go with this one. And then in what capacity do you use ClickUp? You can just click like project management. It's a good one. How frequently? This is also important. Select an option and you can just put daily, okay? So this is gonna get your review accepted more easily, okay? So what is your role in using this software? You can just put I'm a user and then click on the next button. On the next page, you have like certain stars, okay? So you have overall quality. You can put 4 or 5 stars, depends what you want. Ease of use, you can just put like this, like 4 or 5 stars, ease of deployment and something like that. And these features are optional, okay? So you don't have to do these, but I suggest you can just put like something like here or here, you know, if you feel like it, you can do it. Now, how does the pricing for ClickUp compare to similar products? You just put this to mid-tier, and how likely is that you would recommend ClickUp to a friend or a colleague? You can just put 9 or even 10. So now click on the next button, and now you have a few questions to answer, okay? But don't worry, you can get the money without coming up with these answers yourself. For this title and these pros and cons as well, and of course this overall experience with ClickUp, you can use something which is other people's reviews, right? I told you this is gonna be a simple strategy for making money, so hit that subscribe button and let's continue. If you don't know what to write or you just want to copy and paste, you can just go and back to Capterra homepage, and then you can just tap in ClickUp, for example, and you can just find other people's reviews. Okay, so you can search for it, and when you scroll down, you will see a lot of people who made the same review. Okay, so what I suggest you to do is that, for example, you can just take one title from this person. For example, you can copy and then paste that title in here. Okay, maybe you can just change it a little bit. Okay, so maybe I can just delete this and I don't need that. So ClickUp is one of the best and easy project management tools. So now we have to go with these pros. Okay, you can do the same thing, but don't take these pros from the same person. Okay, you can just go down there and you can find someone else's review and you can take these pros from this person as well. So for example, you can just take this passage, copy, and then go back and paste in this box over here. Okay, same with the cons, guys. Go and find another person who did the cons. So for example, I don't know, maybe this person, just copy her or his answer and paste those cons in here. Okay, you see how easy this is? There's a lot of money for easy copy and pasting. Okay, and you can do how many you want. Now the only thing left is that we need to go and find some overall, and we can read all of these like 3,000 reviews. You can just scroll and you can just find a lot of people who did the same thing. So what do we want to do? So for example, let's take, I don't know, this one. We can just copy this as well and then paste your overall experience in here. But if you have any worries about maybe copyright issues or something like that, you can just copy this whole particle and you can go over to spinbot.com, and spinbot.com is going to rewrite that text. Okay, the meaning is of course going to stay the same. So actually there's a misspelling here, so I'm just going to click on basic spin and you can see that the meaning stayed the same. Okay, so we really like using it, we truly like utilizing it. Okay, so the meaning stayed the same but the words are rearranged. So you don't have to worry about copyright issues or maybe their bot or something like that. Just use spinbot.com. It's going to take care of your troubles. And then, did you switch from another product? You can just switch no. Do you integrate any other products with ClickUp? You can click on no. And this is important. You have to just submit this review, this like checkpoint, and click on submit. That's it, guys. You complete a CAPTCHA and then your product review has been submitted, guys. You get the money now for each review read. Okay, so whenever someone reads your review, you get the money for it. You can now, of course, keep the momentum going, and momentum is important. You can, for example, just go with another one. You can see more products. And trust me, guys, the more time you invest in this, the more money you can get, okay? The more your chances rise, because if you have a lot of these reviews, a lot of people are going to read those reviews, and that's more money for you, okay? So you witnessed how actually easy this is. And actually, this can be done by anyone and anywhere, okay? Such an easy project, such a good money. Of course, it won't be like thousands of dollars each single day, but there's some good money, and you can see that it only takes 5 minutes. So grab those 5 minutes, take the action, and I'll catch you guys